Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum
Assalamualaikum
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Okay, now me and Aris will podcast about the traditional food, the Indonesian food. Yeah, there is many traditional food in here, but we just take some other food to explain. Okay, uh, first you want to know the most popular food in Indonesia? Rendang. Rendang is so popular. Yeah, that's from Sumatera Island in city Padang City. And then rendang is from beef, yeah, no, in beef rendang. And then the ingredients there is beef, coconut milk, chili, garlic, onion, and other spice. And then to cook rendang is so very long. Maybe 10 hours or 12 hours to make for soft beef rendang. And then the taste is so maybe spicy, savory, and rich. Yeah. How about you, guys?
I like rendang. Yeah, I like rendang because rendang is the taste spicy, savory, and the rich. And about rendang, I give rate for rendang maybe 8 because I like rendang. And at home I always buy rendang,
Yeah, because rendang in
Padang rice.
Indonesian restaurant, it's Padang restaurant. Padang restaurant is like in Padang restaurant you can choose your Padang food. Maybe there is a beef rendang, there is a chicken opor or chicken pop and another. But the rendang is the number one food in Padang City. It's so popular. And then I will rate maybe 7 because I don't really like rendang. The spice and then the savory is so good, the spice, but the minus is the beef because there's many Padang restaurant, but just some others maybe just want to so soft the beef. Yeah, if so soft is good like Bare Solok maybe pagi sore another maybe like that. And then the second, the traditional Indonesian food is satay. It's in Indonesian is sate, but we can say satay. Satay is the ingredient is there is a chicken. You can choose another meat, maybe chicken, maybe beef, maybe sheep, maybe goat, maybe rabbit, maybe cow. There's many meat, but the most popular one is chicken. Yeah, because it's so easy to farm chicken. And then the ingredients is next is peanut sauce or sweet soy sauce. You just to chop the meat, make it small, maybe like this, and then you need to put the meat in the stick maybe five meat cube meat, and then after that you can grill, and after that you can add the sauce, then until until the chicken already to eat, and then taste is many satay or satay. Taste is sweet, savory and smoky, but there is too like salty, savory and smoky, not just the sweet. And then my favorite satay, I will choose goat because satay goat soup when mix or combo with the rice and soup of goat, it's so fantastic, it's so amazing, the taste is very good, and then how about yours?
Maybe I prefer chicken satay because chicken satay is very tasty, because I like chicken satay. I don't like I don't like satay from goat. And I don't like in lah goat.
And then you rate
I will rate for chicken satay. I rate 9.
okay,
But for
the other
the other satay, the other satay, I rate maybe 7 or 8. Yeah, 7 or 7.5.
I will rate for goat satay, maybe 9 because I'm so very like it. And then for other satay, I will rate maybe 8. Okay, and then the next is rice fried. Rice fried is most popular in the world in China. Chinese is the first to make fried rice, but this is fried rice style from Indonesian. The taste is more sweet than others. And then the ingredients, there's rice, and then there's an egg, and garlic, soy sauce, vegetable. Uh, the fried rice Indonesian is maybe like a sausage or another, like that. But really just use in sauce of ketchup, and then soy sauce, and then the taste is savory, slightly and sweet. Maybe salty just a little, and then the fried rice is there's many style in Indonesian. There is fried rice from goat, from sheep, from chicken, and then from cow, and then the most popular is Japanese. Japanese is not Japanese. Japanese is means Jawa. The taste is more sweet than others fried rice. Maybe how about yours, Aris?
Okay, I like fried rice, but only Japanese fried rice, because Japanese fried rice not using soy sauce. don't using soy sauce because I don't like eat fried rice using soy sauce. And maybe I will rate 8.5.
Maybe I will rate 80 half 5. Yeah, because yeah, not bad. But maybe just another fried rice is But my favorite fried rice is goat fried rice because I like a goat. I like goat. Yeah, I will rate 9. Maybe. And then next is gado-gado. The fourth, gado-gado. Gado-gado is maybe salad. Salad in the other country. Yeah, the vegetables. But in here, not only the vegetables. There is tofu, tempeh, and a boiled egg. And the last is the peanut sauce. This is the taste of gado-gado. Is you need to peanut sauce. If there is no peanut sauce, it's not really good. The taste is just savory and sweet. And then to make this, yeah, it's so easy. You just make the peanut sauce and then make slice from boiled egg and you need just to fry the tempeh and tofu and then the vegetable and just put it. The vegetables maybe just uh like a cucumber, yeah, and then what again ya?
Papaya.
Papaya.
Yeah, what's the meaning? Using maybe uh, mm,
Wait, I will search what I forgot.
I forget using what.
Oh yeah, there is
Oh yeah,
there is a potato,
kol.
yeah, and then there's a chili, and then there is a garlic too, yeah.
There's lontong.
Lontong is like rice, but you need to make it with the leaf of banana tree.
Banana tree.
Banana tree, you just put the rice with get wet rice after get washed, and then you put and then make it roll like sushi, and then you need to cook that, just boil that, and then we lontong. I will rate maybe 7 because I don't really like gado-gado. How about you?
Maybe I cannot explain the taste of gado-gado because I don't not eat gado-gado very often. I don't yeah, not every day I eat gado-gado. Maybe yeah, what's yeah, maybe yeah, I will rate 7.
Yeah, same, yeah. Okay, the last is soto ayam. Soto is like a soup, but in style Indonesian. Yeah, I will. The green ingredients is there is chicken, noodles, yeah, white noodles, and then an egg, turmeric, and herbs. Yeah, Soto ayam there's many styles too. Yeah, soto is soup from Indonesian. The other style, the soto Makassar. Yeah, different. Yeah, soto and soto is different. Yeah, I don't know how to explain that. I mean, yeah, but that's different. And then the taste is savory, warm, salty, and then maybe if you want to eat some little bit spicy and so creamy. Yes, and style soto ayam there is soto ayam chicken soto. Yeah, I forgot to translate. Yeah. Ayam it means chicken. Yeah, there is others chicken soto with a milk or no. And then this is so good for your breakfast in the morning. So warm. So I like it with rice. You can mix it, and then I will rate maybe 10 because it's so very good. Then you can add crackers. Yeah, so crunchy. In Indonesian we say kerupuks. Yeah. And then how about yours?
And soto, soto. I like soto because there is so many herbs, and uh, you should try soto Haja Fatimah in Solo because I like soto Haja Fatimah.
Oh, yeah.
Nah,
Solo is the city of Indonesia, and then I'm from Batuan City. Now there is a popular chicken soto too. Name is Teacher Soto. I don't know. The name is Teacher Soto, but in Indonesian I can say Guru Soto. Yeah, And I will rate. And then, how will you rate?
oh yeah, I will rate 10 because I like it. Soto, I like soto.
Yeah, maybe just that from my podcast, and I respect the last personal food when we explain. And then, sorry if there is wrong explain. Um, and then, thank you. Assalamualaikum
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bye.
Papa.
Kira selesai. Nanti
Selesai.